Wherever you are watching this episode, you are welcome. You are also welcome to YouTube if you are watching it in my channel. OSDMI is my name. They used to call me cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Let's talk about the crypto market. In this episode, I'm going to break down what you need to do to achieve the best in the ongoing market. Look at the screen very well. This is a Binance application. So let's go to Bitcoin slash USDT under trade as a place. So now look at the screen very well. Let's go to its chart. When you look at the screen very well, you can see that Bitcoin has been rising quiet for some days, and surprisingly, it broke above 45,000 strong resistance without any problem. So day before yesterday, that was on Saturday. Sunday, it broke above 45k without any problem, and it keep going up, going up, going up. So my advice to you is that if you are holding for a long time, let's check a week chart before I advise you as a cryptocurrency specialist. So my advice for you based on what I see on the screen is that if you are not holding for a long time, watch out for 50,000 strong resistance. But if you are holding for a long time, I think you don't have any problem because Bitcoin will always bounce back. So, but if you are not waiting for a long time, watch out for 50,000 resistance price to know whether you need to sell part, sell all, or keep holding. It depends on the type of trader are you. And by the look of things, the global traders are gaining more and more confidence in the live market. And the situation like this, things will continue to be prosperous. So everything is as simple as that. So make sure that you like this video below for it to go viral. You also need to share it across. Sharing is caring. Now, in case you are interested to make money, I'm talking about the real money cryptocurrency industry, click the description link below and you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel where I used to share the tangible money making secret in cryptocurrency industry daily. And lastly, are you a member of this channel? Please try to subscribe below this video by the right side and choose all notification for you to gain access to everything I used to post time to time. I'm posting another one in few hours. And lastly, let me hear your voice in the comments if I am doing it wrong or wrong. Remember, I can't rate myself in whatever I'm doing in this life. It is you can only rate me. Thank you so much for taking your time to capture everything in this episode with the title, Let's Talk About the Crypto Market. Watch out for another tangible episode in few hours. Thank you.